In this lesson, we'll import nature sounds and a tree visual. Okay, so now that we have our narration all edited, let's bring in some other aspects for our video. Let's bring Premiere Pro over a little bit so we can see our assets folder. Let's take our free sounds of nature and drag them underneath the daemon in the timeline. And then click on it and drag it all the way to the left. It's up to you if you want to add the levitation sound or not. Let's drag Premiere Pro over, and I want to end the nature sounds at the end of the video here. I'm going to show you a new tool. This tool right here is called the razor tool. If you press the shortcut key, the letter C becomes the cut tool. We can cut right there and then get the move tool, click on this part of the track and press delete. The move tool is the letter V on the keyboard and the cut tool is the letter C. They're right next to each other on the keyboard. If you can remember to use those keys, it's going to save you a lot of time instead of coming over here to click on these icons. Go to the beginning of the track and press play and listen to if you can hear the nature sounds in the background. If you can't hear those sounds, there is a line right here on that track. If you click on it and drag it up, that will bring the audio up higher. Do you see the numbers where it says 8.2 dB? dB is decibel. And you can bring it up to 15 decibel and then play the video to hear it. That might be a little too loud. I want to bring it down just a little bit to maybe 5.6 decibels. You might want to bring it up to about 8 decibels. 8 decibels is pretty good. I'm liking that. Press Command S to save. The acronym dB is decibel. It measures the relative loudness of sounds. Let's drag Premiere Pro over again and go into our assets. We can close the sounds now. We're done with that. Let's go to our visuals folder. First thing I want to do is take the trees JPG and drag that onto the timeline. Now, you'll notice that the colors are different. This MP3 was a different color than this MP3, and it's a different color than this JPG, which is visually great for us when we're looking at this to understand what's what. If you hover over the image here, you'll see this little red arrow. If you click and drag, you can make the image longer, and you can see the image as long as it plays. For this video, I'm going to make this image bigger and smaller. I'm going to move it to the left, move it to the right, depending on who's talking and if there's a close-up or a wide shot. But for now, I want to fill the screen with this image. Let's move Premiere Pro over and make sure that Effects Control is selected so we can see the Effects Control panel. We're going to be using this a lot in the next few videos. And where it says Scale 100%, we can click and drag it to the right to make the image bigger inside of the preview window. Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.